First, in a steam pressure pan, fry garlic with olive oil and then add the lentils with the chorizos. Leave them 5 minutes to cook. Then we will prepare the sauce. Basically, in a small deep pan, you put 5 millimeters of olive oil and large pieces of garlic with their skin. Just remove the hard tip in one extremity. To this initial frying of garlics, we will add some flour, 2-3 spoons of full of flour. This is the secret of this recipe. Basically, this sauce made of the garlics you see here frying. You leave them frying 2-3 minutes, no more, at medium or low fire. We will add then 2-3 spoons of flour, and we will leave the browning. The flour must get golden and lightly brown. I will stir continuously the flour in the oil. Everything continues to fry. Let's see a close-up. And progressively you will see the sauce getting done, meaning that the flour is getting golden and a bit brown. Don't overcook it. If it gets too brown, it means it's burnt. So it's gonna smell very good first. Once it's golden and lightly brown, just remove it.